Waste receptacle cleaning. The purpose of this task is to ensure that all waste receptacles are hygienically cleaned and free from germs that may cause illness. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions. Cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the national standards for healthcare cleanliness. Assemble colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning, disinfecting agent according to manufacturer's instructions. Place caution signs. Ensure cleaning chemicals, disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report in line with the local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report as required. The tools you'll need for waste receptacle cleaning are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, cloths or impregnated wipes, disposable non-abrasive pads, buckets, waste sacks. We'll now talk you through how to clean a waste receptacle. Make sure the work area is safe. Remove waste sack and place in the appropriate waste container. Dampen a cloth in the cleaning solution. Wring out as tightly as possible and fold correctly. Starting with the outer areas of the bin, using an S-shaped motion, damp wipe all of the outer surface of the bin. Stubborn marks may be removed with a disposable non-abrasive pad. Damp wipe the inside of the bin, starting at the top and paying particular attention to the sides, edges and crevices. Reassemble the bin and replace bin liner. When you've finished the task, check all areas are completed. Correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you are unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all equipment. Clean and remove caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store equipment away safely. Charge battery or machinery as per manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close ventilation where necessary.